classical projects today will be installing this key rail on the wall for a place to hold keys. This is actually a pretty reasonable hook. I think it's like $12 for this thing, and we just liked the character of the holder, so that's why we picked this. And it's going to replace what we have right here, which is this kind of older fashioned one. This actually works still pretty good, so but we thought it might have more character to it. Anyway, let's get started.